Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to build a sleek, clickable Linktree website for your Instagram bio? Let's dive in. Click the Create button at the top of the screen. In the field provided, type Instagram bio link to start your project and generate a customized link for your bio. Choose a template for your Instagram post by browsing the available options on the screen. Click on any template to preview it. You can scroll through to find a style that fits your content. For example, if you like a particular design, select it by clicking directly on the template. This will open up the editor, allowing you to start customizing your chosen template for your Instagram post right away. Choose one of the available options. For this example, select the second option from the list to see how it appears on screen. Edit these images as needed, then rename the file to match your account information. On the website, you can add a hyperlink by selecting the desired text or image, then clicking the link icon. Enter your URL and save the changes to finish. Press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. In the field that appears, type the website link you want to add. If you have a personal website, simply paste the URL here. For example, you can enter your own site or any link you want to share. Click Done to confirm your changes. Now you'll see a URL has been generated. Click it to copy or open the link. You can also add a unique URL to each item in the list if needed. To organize further, rename any item by selecting its name and entering a new one. Additionally, you can edit the color for each item to visually categorize your list. Use these options to customize your items and streamline your workflow within the interface. Select the sample as shown. Next, click here to make your adjustments. To change the color, select this color option. There's also another one available, click here to explore it. You can modify this setting as well for more customization. Make sure to review each change as you go to ensure the look matches your needs. Continue adjusting until you're satisfied with the results. In Canva, you can do much more than just add images. You can insert various design elements such as shapes and icons to enhance your project. Additionally, you'll have the option to upload your own photos, allowing you to personalize your designs easily. When you finish your work, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PDF Standard to save your file. This format ensures that any links you included remain clickable in the PDF. After making your selection, confirm the download. The file will be saved to your device, ready to use or share, with all embedded links fully functional. You just made an awesome Linktree style site with Canva for your Instagram bio! If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more Canva tips.